What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today we're going to grab the stuff for the Cutlass R&B. But we jumping in John Jones today. That's what we doing. We driving John Jones today. I'm finna move these cars around. It's a beautiful day, so why not drive the old school? But it's hot too, so I'm driving the car with the AC. Now the last week I sacrificed for y'all, man. I told y'all I was gonna drive R&B daily, and I did do that. Sweating and all, but I tried to drive it in the evening most of the time. So I'm about to get this uncovered, put it back in its native spot, which is on the front line, cause it get driven the least. It get driven the least, and we finna hop in John Jones, and then we're going to go by AutoZone to get the condenser for R&B, and I'm gonna get an overflow for John Jones, an actual overflow, and we're gonna stop by Lawless to see if any progress being made. Well, done been made on the F-150. So we checking on everything. We getting some parts, cause we're gonna have to turn some wrenches. We have to change the overflow out. We're gonna get that done today, today. And that's what we got going on. So let me get these things covered and switch. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, we got everything switched around. Got John Jones out. I contemplate. I said, man, do I need to turn my CO2 on or not? I said, nah, I ain't turning it on, cause I ain't hit no interstate today, man. We just taking it easy. So that's usually how I drive it. I usually drive it on 3 pounds of boost, cause that's all it make with the CO2 off, which still make well over 400 horses with just the 3 pounds. So it's still pretty decent. It just be riding around and all of that. So you know, we finna get this thing on the way. Got the GoPro with me. I can holler at y'all. So finna get that air going, and we gonna switch over to the GoPro. Take it in, man. Headed to AutoZone, get these parts. One one thing I'm about to buy today, I'm about to buy a shifter for this car, man. I get tired of this thing right here keep falling off, man. And it's out of whack. I supposed to been bought a shifter, man. It's out of whack a little bit. I just know how to work around it. So I'm gonna buy another shifter, the exact same one. I like that because you can use a forward or reverse pedal, either or. So we got to get that, man. I got to get this shifter out driving every time I touch it or a little bump, it fall off, man. The knob fall off. So I was like, man, let me go ahead and get a shifter because I need one anyway too. And I'm gonna check Lawless. Like I said, I'm gonna ask Jess about this while my steering wheel crooked now, man. I know the steering shaft probably took out cause when changed we changed the front shocks. Probably had to take the steering shaft out and it just ain't lined up right. And it's tight up on there. I ain't going around fooling with it. I can do it, but I ain't fooling with it. So wait a minute. They ain't supposed to do that. I'm thinking finna make 3 pounds, we just made 10. I was like, this thing pulling a little too hard. But it probably just a little CO2, excess CO2 in the line. Gotta run out. Gotta get it out the line. Cause that's what I noticed too. Sometimes when I first go to the track, I gotta let that CO2 get all the way up to the wastegate. Cause I get to the line, get ready to stage up. Y'all done seen the video, I say it ain't making no boost. CO2 ain't made it up there yet. So I always make sure I do that before I even go to the staging lane now. Now I gotta run this out. So we're gonna get the autos on, man. I hope they got this stuff in stock. I hope they got this that condenser in stock. If they got it in stock, man, I might throw that thing on today. And an orifice too. Well, I can't throw it on today. We got to vacuum. We got to vacuum the system out. But I can change the orifice tube and go ahead and mount it if they got it today. And then we gotta get that overflow. And I'll let Jess. We'll see if see what they done made some progress on the old L150. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. So y'all stay tuned. Check it back in, man. I just stopped by Lawless. Shoot, Jess actually had to take off. They ain't started on it yet, so I don't know, man. I hit him up later on to see what's up, what we looking like, what kind of timeline we're looking at on the truck, whatever. But I got the autos on, and they can't even get condensers right now cause the vendor out of stock. So I guess I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna try to try some other parts stores, try O'Reilly's or somebody like that, and see if I can just order one and have it shipped to the house or something like that. But we got to have that condenser. I need one this week. So somebody, if I don't, you know what? I might check carparts.com, man. We might check them out, see if they got it, and check it and check in. So they would have had that condenser, man. We're gonna throw it on today. Y'all see, man, I'm driving John John. Good AC. Gas still good. Y'all know every time I get in one of these cars, I got to make a hit. So, man, I was gonna hit the interstate. Then I like, man, I'm gonna hit the country road. I'm finna make me a shakedown. And I think I'm gonna do a video. Well, I said I ain't no think. I've been planning. I'm gonna do a video where I'm gonna try to dial in on these hard times, man. I wanna try to get this thing to be able to go down the track on the hard time. So I'm gonna make a video of that, trying to set ramps, testing and tuning, trying different ramps out, basically bringing in the boost over a course of seconds and stuff, and see if we can get down on the hard tires and stuff. So we're gonna have that video coming. But in the meantime, between time, if that car ain't turning behind, we're gonna make a shakedown. Oh yeah. You best believe that. See? Best believe that. I ain't gonna do no tram brake. We're gonna do a foot brake. Cause really ain't no need. Really ain't no need for no foot brake. You barely hold the foot brake. lazy, leave on the tram brake lazy, I'm gonna do that video. I'm gonna do that video, man. Right there, it just barely hazed the tire, and it went. It don't even sound like it making no boot, but it made 3 pounds, so all the CO2 done ran out the line there. We gonna do that video. We gonna definitely do that video. So I'm gonna get back to the house, and then we're gonna try to go ahead and get this that overflow mounted. They did have that, so we got the new overflow. So we're gonna try to go ahead and get that mounted. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on and get to the house. Catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking back in. About to see if I can launch this thing right quick. Got back, man. So I got the Camaro sitting right there. Got John put up. Y'all see the cover? That man ain't nothing going on. It's too hot, man. Alright, y'all. The camera head got cut off. But like I was saying, man, it's too hot. It's just too hot, man. I'm gonna show y'all. But I'm gonna show y'all what I end up picking up. So I got the oil. That oil change. I need to change the oil on the 07 Monte Carlo. So that was it for. I was gonna do it today. But I said, it's just too hot. There's going to be some morning action. So, I might get up in the morning and do that. But this the overflow I got for John. I got this same one on Big Meats. I got the exact same one. And they said one that's a little bigger than this. But I like this to do the job, man. I know I done used them before. It come with the little tubing and all of that. It's pretty easy. Then the little brackets, it's three little arms right there. You push it on there, lock them in, then you just fold them up and lock it in place. But that'll do the job, man, to hold it and all of that. So this what we're gonna be using for Mr. Jones. Like I said, I had planned on putting it on today when I got back, but y'all see, it's too hot, man. It's too hot. It's 90 something. It's 90 degrees. I ain't going out there fooling in it. It's 90 degrees, man. And last week I was driving the Cutlass around in it some of the days for y'all get that footage and stuff. So today, man, I'm like, I just ain't. I might come out here in the evening later on and put it on. And if I do, I just shoot a video. I turn y'all back on and then make a separate video or something. Add in with something there. But today, they're gonna be it, man. We picked it up. I wanted to get some rent turned on the video. Cause like I said, I want to get the condenser, but I'm about to go in the house and order that. I'm gonna order a condenser. I'm gonna order a shifter. I'm gonna go ahead and get a shifter for John, man. He deserved it. He ain't never acted up on me, man. He deserved that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a shifter, and I'm gonna change it out. And I got a tack light. I got a tack light coming for John, man. Cause I was at the track, and I'm listening to my car, going back looking at the footage. Every time I'm at the track, I short shift that car by a lot. Cause I went back and looked at my dyno video, my last dyno video, which I showed y'all, just didn't show y'all what it made. But this go around. But when I went back to the dyno, I always put a GoPro on the tack. And I'm listening to that thing. That thing be screaming, man. You take it up there. And I don't do that at the track. I just listen till it sounds like a good time to shift, and I boom. And I don't have time to be taking my eyes off the road, the track, looking down at that factory tack. You ain't got time to be doing all that. To see let me see if it at RPM. I ain't got time for all that. So I just shift it when I feel like it's good to shift it, or I gauge it based on if somebody beside me. When somebody beside me, it make me drive better. It make you drive better. I mean, as far as shift points and stuff, my reaction be on point most of the time compared to whoever beside me. But like I said, I had to order the light because y'all know I still want to be indiscreet. I don't want no big tack gauge in there. So what I got is the odometer, just the shift light with the lights in it and the digital display, so it tell you where your RPM's at. And what I'm gonna do is bolt it down in the glove box. I'm gonna put it in the glove box, then I can just close it up. When I'm driving, people look at it, they don't see nothing. And when I get ready to race at the track, I'm just gonna open the glove box And then when I see that light come on, which it be so bright you'll see it. When I see the light come on, I know the shift, and I be making my full power, cause I ain't been making full power at the track. I noticed that. So we got that coming. But I'm finna go ahead and order some stuff, man. And I want to say this before I close the video out. Shout out to all the people, man. They're really showing like what's going on with these bills. Cause me and my little bro were having discussion. And like he was saying, he was like, man, Jay, I don't understand how people we want to see you go down. And we were like, man, when you up, people want to see that. But I was telling him, people not used to real life like I spoke before. So when I have a problem, everybody got, nah, I ain't gonna say everybody. It ain't everybody, it's just a few. It's just a few hard heads that they got something to say. They got something to say. You should have did this. You should have went to this way. You should have. Not understanding. And if they done built cars, I figure they would have enough sense. Everybody went through something at one point in time, man. I've been catching up on my boy TPV Productions, man. Shout out to my guy. He sent me the headers way back, man. Way back when Cheapskate, he sent me some headers, man. But y'all go check TPV Productions out, man. He got a bad S10. Got a real bad truck, man. He do all his own work and stuff. He do most of his own work. Real knowledgeable, real cool dude, man. He up north. That's my boy. But you know, I be trying to get caught up on everybody's stuff, so I've been binge watching some of his stuff. My guy Cool Car KJ, I've been binge watching cars. They know too, when you become a creator, you got your people you love to watch, but you'll skip days and stuff. Then you sit down, you catch up on everybody. Like my little bro Steve, all of us do the same thing with each other. We sit down and binge watch. But I was catching up on his stuff, and you know he done had problems before, and he shows everything too. So I got to salute him on that. And that's what I'm saying. It ain't just me. It's only a few people that show it though. It's only a few people that show it, and then people want to give me the static. But I'm telling you, you can never know what a person got going on. That's all I can say. You never know what a person got going on, especially me, cause I make stuff happen quick. It don't take long. I make stuff happen very, very quick, quicker than the average person. It just calls a position I'm in and good relationships with the right people and good people. So you know you can make stuff happen. So you never know. You never know. And I want people to look at me and people like TPV and you know, other people that's showing the hiccups too. Like, hey man, keep going. Keep going. It's part of the game. The thing called money, mistake get made. Even if you're a vet in the game, you're gonna make a mistake, man. You're gonna make a mistake. Something gonna happen. If you build enough cars, you're gonna make a mistake. I'm gonna say that. Cause some of these folk that be making comment toward me ain't built nowhere near the amount of cars or even own the amount of cars I done had when it comes to just regular cars and hot rod. So I really don't even have no business engaging with them unless they gonna throw me some SDC. That's a different story. But yeah, man, I mean, shout out to them people, man. Like I said, really shout out to the people just keeping it real with everybody and showing people this is what you go through with a build. You gonna go through hurdles with a build. Some small, some big. Just do it again. Do it again if you like it that much. But yeah, man, that's it, man. I'm about to go in the house cause it feel decent in the rod, but it's still hot. So I'm gonna go in the house, man, chill out. I gotta hit my fan Rick up too. We gotta holler, talk about some stuff and all that. We got shaking. So yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG.